Why do some people treat their birthday like any other normal day? No excitement, no party, no celebration. Just another date on the calendar. If you're someone who quietly passes your birthday, or you know someone who does, don't worry. There is actual psychology behind this behavior. And today, we're going to break it all down in simple words. Before we begin, tell me in the comments, do you celebrate your birthday or keep it low-key? One of the biggest reasons people don't celebrate their birthday is simple. They don't like attention. Some personalities feel uncomfortable when everyone looks at them. They don't like being the center of the universe, even for one day. Psychologists call this low social attention need. These people don't crave the spotlight. For them, a peaceful, normal day feels more comfortable than a loud celebration. Example: imagine someone who hates surprise parties, not because they dislike their friend, but because suddenly being the focus makes them anxious. Some people don't celebrate because birthdays come with pressure. You should be happy. You should enjoy today. You should celebrate. But humans don't feel happy on command, and people who are emotionally sensitive don't want to fake happiness for others. So they treat their birthday like a normal day to avoid all those expectations. Some people naturally prefer a simple lifestyle. They don't like too much drama, noise, or chaos, whether it's parties, decorations, or big gatherings. Psychology calls this minimalist personality. For them, a quiet meal, a normal day, a simple routine feels more meaningful than a fancy celebration. Not everyone has happy memories attached to birthdays. Maybe their childhood birthdays were ignored. Maybe someone important is no longer there to celebrate with them. Or maybe something sad happened around that date. So emotionally, the day doesn't feel special. It feels heavy. And to protect themselves, they treat it like any other day. This is a very real psychological response known as emotional avoidance. Birthdays remind people of aging. Some people fear getting older or fear they haven't achieved enough. They think, another year gone, but what did I do? Instead of celebrating, they quietly continue their routine to avoid thinking about it. This is more common than you think. Many people do care about their birthday. They just celebrate it inside, not outside. Maybe they treat themselves to a small snack, or pray, or simply reflect on their past year. It's a personal, intimate form of celebration that doesn't need social media or parties. Birthdays today have become a social media event. Posts, stories, reels, expectations for wishes. It's too much for some people. People who value their privacy prefer avoiding all this noise, so they simply stay offline and treat the day normally. Some people have a different mindset. They believe every day deserves equal importance. No day is extra special. Their logic is, if I want to do something meaningful, I can do it any day. Why wait for my birthday? This is a practical and grounded way of thinking. So next time you meet someone who treats their birthday like a normal day, don't assume they are sad or lonely. They simply see the world differently. And if you relate to these points, you're not alone. There are millions of people like you. Tell me in the comments, do you celebrate your birthday or keep it simple? For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. Hit the bell. See you in the next video.